You searched how to buy shares of Microvast Holdings Inc. Microvast develops battery systems and energy storage solutions listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MVST, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy MVST, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MVST to locate Microvast. Confirm the result matches Microvast Holdings Inc., listed on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure you have the correct Microvast stock. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a limit when trading resumes. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. Check the description for a link if you want to explore eToro's platform.